What are the signs of a transmission fluid leak? Have you ever wondered how to tell if your car is leaking transmission fluid? This is a key skill for any teenager who is driving or owning a car. Recognizing the signs early can save you from costly repairs and keep you safe on the road. Let's break down the main signs of a transmission fluid leak. First, look for puddles or spots under your car. When you park, check the ground. If you see a red or reddish-brown puddle, that's a strong sign of a leak. Transmission fluid has a slippery, oily feel, so if it feels slick, it's likely transmission fluid. Next, keep an eye on your transmission fluid levels. If you find yourself adding fluid frequently, your car is losing it somewhere. You can check the fluid level using the dipstick under the hood. Low fluid levels can lead to serious damage if not addressed quickly. Another sign to watch for is unusual noises when driving. If your car starts making whining, grinding, or clunking sounds when in gear, it could mean the transmission parts are not getting enough lubrication. This is often due to low transmission fluid. You should also be aware of slipping gears or jerky shifts. If your car suddenly slips out of gear or shifts roughly, it's a sign that the transmission fluid is low. You might feel the car jerk or hesitate when changing gears, which can make driving unsafe. Delayed or rough shifting is another warning sign. If your car takes longer than usual to shift gears, or if the shifts feel uneven, it could be a result of low or leaking transmission fluid. Lastly, pay attention to any burning smells. If the transmission fluid smells burnt or looks dark brown instead of bright red, it may be overheating or contaminated. This can happen due to a leak or other transmission issues. For teenagers, knowing these signs is important. Ignoring a transmission fluid leak can lead to expensive repairs or even leave you stranded. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's best to have an adult or a mechanic check your car as soon as possible. Additionally, having an emergency car kit is a smart idea. This kit should include basic tools and supplies to help you handle minor issues. Regularly checking your car's fluid levels and being aware of how it drives are good habits for any young driver. Stay safe and keep your car in good shape.